Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 5-in-1 cupping system. Now this is really neat because it's all done electronically, and you have two different cupping sizes. So this is the smaller one, and then you also have the larger one, and it has an extra little piece in here in case that gets damaged or whatever. So that you can actually use like on your arms or your shoulders. You can actually see I've got some marks there from doing some cupping because this is so great for any sort of muscular anything. Now this one has a red light in it. So when you turn it on, the bottom there, you actually see that little red light. It's got nice grips all the way around it. And it has a 20-minute auto shut off. You have different modes that you can use for it, all the way up to 12 different modes. You have different suction levels. So that will increase up 12 different modes as well, or suctions as well. And then you have the release if you did decide, hey, that's too much. Now to use it, it's super simple. You just simply put it on here, hit your start, and it will go right to work. And as you can see, it just simply pulls the skin in, brings the blood up to the surface, and then helps you feel a lot better whenever you were doing it. So this is a great little tool. It's nice and compact. Bottom part just screws on and off to be able to add on your different tools. And you can use this thing anywhere, whether it's in the gym or at home. It's a nice way to be able to relax your muscles, be able to do all sorts of different therapy on them. Quickly remove it. Great for any time.